friends, welcome back to SoftGPT. Imagine you've just accidentally deleted some important files, or maybe your system crashes out of nowhere, leaving you scrambling to recover lost data. Don't worry, we've got your back. Today, we're exploring 4D Dig Data Recovery, a powerful tool that makes retrieving your data a breeze. It's fast, reliable, and so easy to use that anyone can do it. Let's dive in and see how this amazing tool can save the day. The link to the website is available in the video description. Once the download is complete, install it on your system and launch the application. You'll notice a clean and intuitive interface with features like partition recovery, external drives recovery, and quick access to common locations like desktop, recycle bin, and more. At the left-hand side, you'll find several recovery options such as hard drive, SD card, crashed PC, enhanced video recovery, photo repair, video repair, and discover more. For this tutorial, let's focus on recovering deleted files. I'll show you step by step how to recover data from your drive. First, I'll delete some files from my folder to demonstrate. Now, my folder is empty. Next, go back to the software and select the drive where the data was stored. I'll choose my SD card as an example and click the Scan Now option. Here, you can choose the type of files you want to recover, such as photos, videos, documents, or even system files. For this demo, I'll select photos, videos, documents, and audio files. Then, click on Scan Selected File Types to begin. The scanning process starts immediately. It may take a few minutes depending on the amount of data. What's impressive is how well the software organizes your recovered files, making it easier to locate exactly what you need. You'll notice two options on the left, Path and Type, which help organize recovered files by folder or format. During the scan, you can pause or stop the process at any time. If you think the desired files are recovered, click the Stop button. Once the scan is complete, you can preview the file. Simply select the files you want to recover. I'll select my files and click the Recover button. You can save the recovered files to your OneDrive or any folder of your choice. I'll save them to a new folder and click the Save Now button. In just a few clicks, my data is fully recovered. How amazing is that? Recovering your files has never been easier with 4D Dig Data Recovery. Whether it's photos, videos, or documents, this tool has you covered. The link to the software is in the video description. Try it out and save your data hassle-free. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to SoftGPT for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.